Here's a 12-inch Lasko oscillating fan. This one is the black one. I do not know where it was sold in here in California. It's definitely sold here in the United States. I don't even know where it can be sold. This one is controlled just like the pedestal fans, with the controls on the back, and oscillation too. They do make another model, which is this one. This one doesn't have the switch knob at the back, and instead it actually the switch is wrapped around the base. That's kind of cool. And this one uses a reflective badge, like on their pedestal fans. This one just uses a plain matte black badge. So yeah, they do also make one in white, which I will basically also make a video of, but for now I'm just gonna stick with the black one. So there it is.